A new storm that could be our first hurricane of the season, Ted.
Yeah, it's ramping up pretty good right now, Sherry. This is a look at the tropics right now, and this is the focus. Way out in the Atlantic, this is Danny. It's a tropical storm right now. Winds are, as of 10 o'clock, the new data just came in, up to 50 miles an hour sustained. It's picking up a little steam if you call 14 miles an hour at the west-northwest, some steam. All right, let's go on out and show you what the computer models are showing. You can see Danny just off the coast of Africa here. Here's a look at the model spread is. We call it the spaghetti plots because it looks like a bowl of spaghetti. It does show it moving toward the Leeward Islands, but some of them are trying to pull it away. That's very typical with these low-latitude storms, but the National Hurricane Center's track, and what we're tracking with Danny, shows it becoming a hurricane early Thursday morning, and even a Category 2 hurricane as it gets close to the Leeward Islands on Sunday night. So this is typical this time of year. August breeding grounds for hurricanes, mainly for us, is watching that Gulf of Mexico. Primary spot number one. Also, the Northern Caribbean is another spot that we watch for with this as well. So again, these are the prime spots, but we are watching just off to the west in this big August breeding grounds out by the coast of Africa. So this is something we're watching for. We've had a lot of water in the last few days, and that's something we'll be watching out for with Chief Meteorologist Mark Prater, where he's watching our latest rain data. Mark?
Ted, great analogy, and certainly it is that time of the year we have to watch the tropics carefully, and usually when we have this much rain, it is tropically driven, but right now it's just a tropical atmosphere. A lot of tropical talk going on tonight, but we do have a lot to tell you, so let's start off with a real quick view right now over downtown Birmingham. This is our Storm Track Tower camera. It's 80 degrees, winds out of the south at 11, but the dew point 75, so that means it's holding a lot of water. And that water is just waiting to be used in showers and thunderstorms like we have seen. Here's your storm track hour by hour forecast. Temperatures go from 80 degrees back down into the lower 70s, roughly 73, 74 degrees. While there will be clouds all night, there could be a shower or a thunder shower that pops up at random. And that's the unfortunate part of trying to time rain whenever we have this type of weather setup. Is these showers and thunder showers develop at random, maybe old boundaries from thunderstorms back in Mississippi. But our latest storm track radar shows showers now developing just west of Hueytown as well as Pleasant Grove, Pratt City, and then there are showers back into Fayette as well as western Tuscaloosa counties. The latest radar loop over the past 3 hours shows that has been the best band of rain, and it's not out of the question that we have a few spots that hear a little thunder rumbling if this line that I'm tracking here continues to develop. Cloverdale in about 3 minutes and eventually Tuscaloosa in about 16 minutes. That's the south end of this line. And then obviously Holt and Holt Lake would be affected by this as well. And for those of you down around Alex City and Lake Martin, we've got rain falling now. It's light, but it will continue to track towards the east. Eventually Dadeville, we'll see it in about 10 minutes, and then Mary in about 18 minutes. So overall, the rain coverage is not going to be widespread the next hour or two, but that could be changing even in the overnight hours. Traditionally, we wait for the thunderstorms to develop from the heat of the day, and that's when we do have a lot of these storms develop. But with the atmosphere set up the way it is, it can happen. They can be nocturnal. It doesn't necessarily have to be when the sun is out. Tomorrow morning, when you join Ashley Gann for Wake Up Alabama, it will be a cloudy but damp start. There could be a few showers early on, but our new forecast model runs coming in show showers and a few thunder showers popping up at random. It could be Gadsden, back over to Coleman, down 278, right into Double Springs and Hamilton. That rain stretching down towards Birmingham. These showers and thunder showers will track towards the north and east. Tomorrow night, 9 o'clock. Coleman, again, you could be looking at rain. It stretches down into Jasper, maybe even West Jefferson. Then the rain tracks towards the north and east overnight on Thursday. A few showers again. You may wake up to a little bit of rain for early Thursday morning. Then during the afternoon, more showers and thunder showers popping up. Timing is tricky. Right place, right time. In some spots we could see by the end of the week receive anywhere from 2 to 3 more inches of rain. Here's your Storm Track 7-day. Rain chances likely all through the end of the work week. This weekend, though, I backed the rain chances off to a much smaller area with highs warming with a little more sun.